Welcome to the beginning of your real personal development journey. This is not just a motivational video. This is a commitment one will take together. Real personal development is made of three key parts: the mind, the body, and your personality. In this video, we'll focus on the first and most powerful part, your mind. Chapter 1. Why the mind comes first. Before we can control our actions, we must learn to control our thoughts. But here's the truth. No one can do that for you. Everyone has a unique way of thinking, a unique way of dealing with thoughts. That's why real personal development starts from within. Chapter 2. The key. Meditation. So how do we learn to understand and control our thoughts? Let me make it simple. Meditation. Yes, meditation is the teacher, the quiet guide that helps you face your mind, observe it, and over time, master it. Chapter 3. The 21-Day Challenge. So here's what we're going to do, a 21-day meditation journey, together as a community. Just 10 minutes a day. You can do it anytime, morning, evening, or even during a break. And if you feel like going longer, you're free to do that too. Chapter 4. How to meditate. Simple steps. Don't overthink it. Here's how you can start meditating. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Sit comfortably, chair, floor, wherever. Step 2. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Step 3. Focus on your breath going in and out. Step 4. If a thought comes up, don't fight it. Notice it. Gently bring your focus back to the breath. Step 5. Set a timer for 10 minutes. That's it. Chapter 5. Benefits of meditation. Meditation might seem simple, but the benefits are powerful and life-changing. Here's what you'll start to notice. Benefit result. Better focus. You stop getting distracted so easily. Emotional control. You respond instead of reacting. Reduced stress and anxiety. Mind becomes calm and clear. Increased self-awareness. You understand your triggers and habits, improve sleep and energy. You feel refreshed and balanced. Stronger mindset. You build mental strength and discipline. Chapter 6. Building together. Accountability and community. And here's the best part. I'm inviting you to join me in a 21-day meditation challenge. It's super simple. Just click the link in the description to join. Every day, check in by filling out a 10-second Google form after your meditation. That's it. Your progress will be tracked in a shared community dashboard, so you'll stay consistent, feel supported, and see real growth along the way. I'm doing this with you every single day. We'll keep each other accountable. This isn't just a challenge. It's the first real step in your personal development journey. Once you build a strong mind, you'll be ready for the next parts. Your body, and then your personality. So, are you ready to start? Drop a comment below with day 1, I'm in, and we'll take it from there. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and share it with one person who wants to grow too. Let's do this, one breath at a time, one day at a time.